Hello and welcome to today's briefing. How often have we seen technology evolve to the point that it demands a complete strategic rethink for businesses using it? We're in such a moment with enterprise AI. The landscape for deploying AI is shifting quickly with rapid model releases, increasing costs for running AI systems, and new questions about keeping these systems secure. These changes aren't just buzzwords, they're redefining how businesses should plan and operate their AI strategies. In recent times, we've witnessed a dramatic shift in AI model offerings and economics. Vendors are now emphasizing how they charge for AI use, essentially aligning costs with usage metrics such as tokens and model calls. This has led to unexpected expenses, with companies like Canva revising their growth projections due to costly AI features. Meanwhile, the gap between Chinese and US AI models is narrowing. We're seeing Chinese models become highly competitive, providing multimodal capabilities at lower costs, enticing businesses to consider them. On the regulatory front, there's mounting pressure, particularly from entities like OpenAI, urging stronger safety laws to handle these powerful models better. Moreover, there is a glaring absence of containment strategies for rogue AI models from leading labs. This points to an operational hiccup where high-risk systems could behave unpredictably without proper backup plans. So why do these developments matter? First, your business's financial health could be at stake due to the changing AI economy. Token-priced models can severely affect margins unless businesses design their activities around monitorable and controllable usage. Secondly, the growing quality of low-cost and open models means you now face a complex puzzle of deployment choices. While it brings down expenses and cuts latency, it introduces challenges around control, compliance, and trust. On the legal side, stronger regulations may soon affect how you handle AI, demanding a more robust compliance infrastructure. Companies need to anticipate these changes to avoid non-compliance repercussions. To better understand these phenomena, let's dive a bit into the technical details. Notably, token usage has become a critical metric. In simple terms, each time an AI model processes or generates data, it uses tokens, much like paying per data unit. This pricing structure can inflate unexpectedly if not monitored. Additionally, hybrid model stacks are becoming the go-to architecture. Businesses use a mix of smaller, faster models for basic tasks and larger, comprehensive models for complex needs. This setup optimizes both cost and efficiency. Containment plans, or rather the lack thereof, make operational safety a top concern. Effectively managing AI requires defenses and monitoring tools similar to those used for cybersecurity, complete with emergency stop measures should an AI begin to deviate from intended action paths. Now let's talk about what these technical components mean in the business world. Organizations must start viewing AI models as part of their core infrastructure rather than a simple feature. This means businesses need to strike a balance between expense and capability, ensuring that high-cost models are only employed when they deliver enough value to justify the spend. Another crucial balance is between control and swiftness. While adopting low-cost external models might seem appealing due to reduced overheads, they bring about rigorous compliance and audit challenges. It becomes a trade-off between getting to market fast with less spend but accepting more complex governance needs. Lastly, in terms of safety versus utility, blanket security measures can distort utility. Security shouldn't just mean testing and passing. It should involve realistic scenarios that test how models behave under pressure. Navigating AI in this landscape isn't risk-free. Companies face token cost exposure without proper budgeting, leading to potential financial blind spots. Model provenance and supply chain issues, especially with rapidly appearing stealth models, continue to complicate sourcing. Another pressing concern is regulatory risk. New laws about monitoring and disclosure may come into play, demanding prompt adjustments in compliance strategies. And with AI being a shared resource among many companies, local politics and infrastructure challenges can also affect operational capacities. At Kimbodo, our guidance is to treat AI models much like other distributed IT services. This means budgeting them responsibly, instrumenting their use carefully, and shielding them with the same rigor applied to vital infrastructure. Invest in containment, provenance, and visibility right from the start, especially where business stakes are high. We also suggest creating a central gateway for directing model calls, implementing local models to handle straightforward tasks, and maintaining comprehensive logs for both regulatory purposes and operational insights. Interested in navigating these changes with confidence? Request an AI roadmap through the Kimbodo quote engine on our website. There, you'll find detailed strategies tailored to integrating and managing AI efficiently within your business framework. Dive deeper into these insights in the complete article available at Kimbodo.com. Thank you for tuning in.